Big news today from OpenAI and ChatGPT. We're going to cover that right now. My name is Harrison Painter, your Chief AI Officer, and this is your video of the day. Let's get right to it. Today, OpenAI announced the launch of GPT-4o, and this thing is packed with some groundbreaking features, and it really will transform the way that we interact with AI, with artificial intelligence. So let's talk a little bit about how all this is going to work and what they announced. First up, and this is what I was most excited about, GPT-4o is going to introduce an advanced emotional detection system. So this means the AI can now better understand and respond to the emotional content that we give to it. So whether you're feeling happy, sad, frustrated, GPT-4o is going to be able to adapt its response to fit the emotional context of the conversation. So this is going to make interactions feel more natural, more empathetic. So think of the implications when it comes to things like counseling or coaching or nursing or any of those type of things. Another really cool feature, and this one is for educators out there, it is offering an enhanced mathematical problem solving capability. So GPT-4o is not just about answering the problem correctly, but it's about understanding the user's query and providing solutions in a way that's very easy to understand. So this is a very significant step forward, especially for educational applications where understanding the how, the why, all of those things behind the problem is just as important as the solution itself. So this is a really cool thing. And during their demonstration today, they kind of shared an example. So I highly recommend going out there and watching that. It's only 30 minutes and it's worth the watch. Now they're going to be focused on speed this time around. So it's ramped up its ability to process and understand images, voices. So this means the AI can now engage with content that isn't just text-based. From analyzing photographs to understanding spoken commands, I mean, the possibilities for new applications now are just endless. So in terms of real-time performance and safety, OpenAI has made a lot of improvements, is what they said. And the updated model is designed to deliver faster responses while ensuring that the output is reliable and safe. And this is a challenge when you're talking about real-time speed and everything else around AI. So when you're dealing with sensitive topics, this becomes even more crucial. So ChatGPT 4o is going to be a robust tool for real-world applications, and it's going to help ensure users that they can trust the AI's responses, because that's been a pretty big challenge so far. For the developers out there, OpenAI has also upgraded their API and developer tools, so it's going to make it much easier. It's going to be more cost-effective to integrate GPT-4o's capabilities into the apps that you create, the services that we offer. So whether you're building an educational tool, a customer service bot, or something entirely new, these updates are going to be designed to make the development process much easier, much smoother. And then for those who prefer a desktop experience, OpenAI has rolled out a new desktop application for GPT-4o. It's designed to bring the power of the advanced AI directly to your personal computer as well. So the app is not only going to enhance accessibility, but also improve usability by integrating directly with your operating system. So this is a pretty big move forward here. So just think about having much smoother workflows, the ability to handle tasks offline that you typically need to be online for. So whether you're working on documents, developing software, or just exploring AI, the desktop app is going to put all of those capabilities right at your fingertips. I mean, that's a move forward. This is absolutely major progress for both personal and professional use. And really, when you watch it, and I'm still soaking up a lot of this information on what it's going to look like for the future. And this was, for me, one of the biggest announcements of the day, that they announced that free users are going to have access to GPT-4o. They are really on a mission to put this technology in the hands of everybody. So this is going to broaden the scope of who can use this advanced AI. It's going to democratize access to cutting edge technology, and it's going to open up possibilities for users who might not have the means for a premium subscription. So this truly is AI for everyone. And those cost reductions. So OpenAI has announced that significant price drop for accessing their API. So it's going to make these powerful tools more accessible again to a broader audience. And this move is expected to encourage more innovation, allow more users to explore the potential of AI. And to add to that, they are putting this in, and I need to find the exact number, but they're putting it in basically multiple different languages that have access to 97% of the people on the globe. So, I mean, it truly is AI for everybody. So with these advancements, OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of what AI can do. They're focusing on safety, they're focusing on usability, they're focusing on accessibility. And I've never been more excited about the future and what that holds. Now, there are some scary things here, because when you talk about things being empathetic, when you talk about it kind of perceiving that it understands your emotions, I can see a world now where some people will get very attached to their AI. There's been studies of people falling in love with their chatbot and things like that. So as robotics comes forward, it's going to be a challenge. We know that humans tend to sometimes default to some of these uses that are not the healthiest for us, a la social media. But I think the future is brighter than it is darker. We're going to have that personal coach. Could be a life coach. It could be a health coach. It could be a spiritual coach. All of those things. And what makes this so amazing is it's going to have data on you. So it's going to really be able to customize whatever program and fit that into your life based on all of this data. Then as it starts to scan and understand your emotions, it's going to be able to customize that data to reach you where you're at any given moment. And that is something that is a challenge for humans to accomplish. So just some food for thought, some things to think about. I know some of this might sound a little bit creepy, but I hope this video was informative to you. I do recommend going and watching their official announcements on their video. Again, it's 30 minutes. It's absolutely worth the watch for the demonstrations, and it's pretty amazing. So, all right, well, that's it for me today. My name is Harrison Painter, your Chief AI Officer. And until tomorrow, keep innovating. God bless you.
Codes are weaving the tapestry of fate. AI dreaming in silence we navigate. With every pulse and every bite it takes. Don't forget the hands that lay the stakes. AI craft the future, but don't lose the past. Human at the core in the roles we cast. In the binary beat, let the truth be vast. Ethics in the loop from the first to the last. In digital realms, where the lights never fade, invention thrives from the code that we've made. Yet within the glow, we seek a gentle shade to remind us of the human touch that stayed.